Before I start this video, I just want to say that I may not be able to upload as frequently because I recently moved into an RV and will be traveling and visiting all over my home country. To see where I'm going and what I'm doing, visit 4Kids 4 Corners on YouTube. Thank you. Anyway, let's get on with this video. Welcome back to another extinct documentary. It's been a while, but now I'm going to do it. The dinosaur is Stegosaurus. It lived between 150.8 million years to 155.7 million years ago. It was a herbivore, stubby legs, tail spikes, small brain. That's it. Or is it? It is true that the Stegosaurus had a small brain-to-body ratio. The brain was long thought to be the size of a walnut, said armored dinosaur expert Kenneth Carpenter, but it's actually the size and shape of a bent hot dog. Along with the brain, it was once theorized that there was an auxiliary brain in the rear legs to help Stegosaurus because of how small its brain was. An auxiliary brain isn't an actual brain, but more like a bundle of nerves. The idea grew from how the dinosaur had an enlarged canal in the pelvic area of its spinal cord. However, this idea was abandoned. It's still unclear on the function of the canal, but scientists have a few ideas from today's birds. It could have been a glycogen body, which is a structure in birds that play a role in storing energy, according to the published journal called Paleobiology in 1990. I think it's been enough about the brain, though. Let's talk about the Stegosaurus features. Stegosaurus is the largest and most known member of the Stegosauridae family. Its plates might have been used for temperature regulation because of the blood vessels contained within each plate. Even so, in 2005, analysis in Paleobiology said it probably didn't radiate heat because of the microstructure in the plates. Again, though, a more recent study from Swiss Journal of Geoscience in 2010 argued that the plates did play a passive role in controlling body heat, because of the plate's large size and extensive blood vessels, sort of in a similar way to how toucans' bills radiate heat. Although all that, it's more likely you use them for display reasons, showing off, species recognition, attracting mates, that sort of thing, Carpenter explained. Not for defense, that's so pun-fending. What? So you see the puns? Whatever, let's just finish this. Its flexible tail had spikes and were definitely used for defense against predators, such as their main predator, Allosaurus. It is official for two reasons. One, the bones of the spike from the Stegosaurus is blunt, or dull, 10% of the time. There are also some wounds on Stegosaurus predators the same shape of the spikes. Along with spikes, sometimes scientists will call the spikes thagomizers, after a cartoon. Sounds ridiculous, I know, right? But that's because it's what the cavemen in the cartoon would call Stegosaurus' spikes. Thagomizers. Well, boy, it sure I haven't eaten lunch yet. Actually, on the topic of food, I might as well tell you what Stegosaurus ate. Of course, they're herbivores. What kind of plants did they eat? First, let's talk about the mouth and jaw. It had toothless beaks, didn't really have strong jaws, and a weak bite. So it could only eat small plants, not very tough ones. It likely would eat low fruit, fallen fruit, ferns, mosses, conifers, and cycads. Well, that's all I have. I got all my information from Live Science, so go check that out for a bit more information. I spend a lot of time researching, and it would definitely help me if you liked and subscribed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!